Well, thanks for tuning into Staff's Transport here. It's a beautiful day in Cranberry Fields. Joining me as ever is SJ. We're waiting for an empty coaching stock coming down from Crewe, but it looks like it's stuck in the station for a while. Well, in the old days those would have been Voyagers. Those new things, they do look very, very smart. Well, SJ watching expectantly. Class 47 hauled empty coaching stock on its way. Well, it's definitely not a class 47. We're in for a real treat here. Looks like a steam engine. SJ. Well, what about that? Tornado. Where's Mr. Pete when you need him? Mr. Pete, of course, we have to say, sung a magnificent song, local artist who sung a song entitled Tornado. We love Mr. Pete, don't we, SJ? We'll have to see if we can put him on a soundtrack sometime. Anyway, that was a real treat. Well, after all the excitement of Tornado, here's a freight train. It's all happening today, SJ. Here comes another one of these new units. Former Voyager working, this one. Quickly followed by the familiar sound of a pendolino. Well, here comes another real treat. Double-headed class 90s. Certainly an eventful day, SJ. And the familiar sound of a class 70. Another treat for us today, SJ, certainly. always impressive, Class 70s. Car train won't be far away either to look forward to. SJ, of course, big fan of Class 70s. Which is the best today then, SJ? Is it 70s? Sorry, 70, 90, or is it Tornado? All of them. Good answer. Well, here's another one of those new 805s or 807s. I'm not sure which one. Still can hardly get over seeing Tornado. First time I've seen Tornado. First time for SJ as well. That was an 807. Well, it's been a gorgeous afternoon here in Cranberry Fields. A bit breezy and quite a lot of grass pollen around. But a very lovely day. Just waiting now for the car train, which is a Class 66. Well, here it comes. Famous car train, Class 66. I can already see a few cars, a couple of vans I think, on the front of it. A well-known familiar sight. It used to be a Class 92 haulage in the good old days, but at least the service still runs. That SJ is our cue to slowly walk back to the car. But very nice to see that. Well, just when you thought it had all happened, we've now got a celebrity Pendo coming through. Really is all happening today, SJ. Well, a couple of bonus freights before we go home. Here's the first. One more Pendolino as well. And one more of the new units. I keep saying new units, 805 or 807. Just time to say night night from SJ for tonight. We'll hope to see you again very soon. And here actually is the last freight train we're going to watch today. It's another Class 66 and it's another Freightliner. And it's good night from me, staff transport of course. Here I am, walking back to the car with the shadow of SJ on my shoulder. Thanks for watching, and we'll hope to see you again very, very soon as we merge into the shadow of the trees there.